from Storytale Cakes, and today I have Rosie from Rosie's Dessert Spot. Come join us for the live stream.
We will be teaching you guys how to tort, fill ganache and cover your cake in fondant.
And we'll also be showing you how to make raw icing, how to put florals onto the cake, and how to paint it in this nice champagne gold.
To be a part of this live stream class where we demonstrate live to you guys and you decorate along with us, head on over to my website rosiesdessertspot.com where you can purchase the class and the download for all the materials and equipment you'll need to participate. And once you've purchased the class on the website, head on over to our exclusive Facebook group that's dedicated to this live stream. That's where you can ask any questions, reach out to us, and we'll also leave updates on that page if there's any changes or added materials to the class.
So happy to see you guys soon, and be sure to check out the link below.